Good morning, children. Hope that all of you are safe at home. Let us try to continue learning social science after the weekend break. Hope that all of you remember the name of the lesson which you were learning in history during the last week. Let us try to learn the fourth part of that lesson in the earliest cities. Harappan towns in Gujarat. The city of Dhalavira was an important center of the Indus Valley civilization. It was located on Khadir Bay in the Rann of Kutch. Fresh water and fertile soil were available in this region. And Dhalavira was divided into three parts, and each part was surrounded with massive stone walls with entrances through gateways. There was also a large open area in the settlement where public ceremonies were held. Harappan script. We have to learn something about that also. The letters of the Harappan script were carved out of white stone and perhaps inlaid in wood. See, children, you can see an Indian map here on the left side, and I can show you Rann of Kutch is here on the northern side of Gujarat, Rann of Kutch. And here you can see Lothal and Dhalavira, some centers of the Indus Valley civilization. So if you are asked to mark Dhalavira and Lothal on an outline map of India, you can show these places like this. Dhalavira can be marked somewhere here, and you can mark Lothal somewhere here. Okay? Hope that it is clear. Large letters of the Harappan script were carved out of white stone and perhaps inlaid in wood. See, children, let me show you Lothal once again. Lothal will be somewhere here. It stood close to the tributary of the Sabarmati, and it is in Gujarat, close to the Gulf of Khambat. Gulf of Khambat is here, this area. It is surrounded by land on three sides. A large area of sea, partly surrounded by land, is Gulf. So hope that it is clear to you. As you had learned, the city of Lothal stood beside a tributary of the Sabarmati river, close to the Gulf of Khambat. What is a tributary? A tributary is a minor or a small river which joins with a major river. So, city of Lothal is an important center for making objects out of stone, shell and metal. There was a storehouse in the city. Many seals and sealings were found in storehouses in those days. From this lesson, we have learned about the cities which had flourished on the banks of the river Indus some 4,700 years ago. But around 3,900 years ago, this civilization came to an end. What were the possible reasons for the end of this great civilization or diminishing glory of this great civilization? Around 3,900 years ago, people stopped living in many of these cities like Harappa, Lothal, Mohenjo-daro, Kalibangan, etc. Raw materials brought from long distances became rare. The drainage system, which showed that the Harappans were very particular about healthcare and sanitation, that broke down. Rivers dried up around 3,900 years ago. Deforestation was without any limit. Grazing destroyed green cover. Sometimes these regions were adversely hit by floods, and it destroyed many things which were considered as very valuable by the people of those days. Many people moved into newer and smaller settlements to the east and south of the Indian peninsula, especially they were the people who moved from Sindh in Punjab and Sindh in Pakistan and Punjab of modern Pakistan and India. I request all of you to try to find out answers to these questions. Write a short note on the Harappan scripts. And the second question is, explain the causes which led to the end of the Harappan civilization. With this session has come to an end, and you can read something under the heading Elsewhere about Egypt in your textbook. Based on that, I have given 3 questions here. Please try to find out answers to these questions. Where were the earliest non-Egyptian pyramids found? Where are the most famous Egyptian pyramids found? Which pyramid of Egypt is the largest and the oldest pyramid of the world?